In this training video, we're going to take a look at adding forms and links to your building page. So we're going to start over here by going to Building Management on the left, and then you will select whichever building you want to add links or forms to. And then you see over here on the right under Building Options that we have the choice between forms and links. We're going to start with forms. And you see right here that we already have some example forms added. You have to add a form category in order for your forms to be added first. So let's say you see here that this category is named school calendar. So maybe we want to add a new form category here called something like school supply list. Type our category name in right there, click on save. It takes us back out. And you see right here that we now have the option to add a new form to that category. So if we want to click on add new form, we can put in our form name right here. So maybe we have a first grade supply list. You don't have to put in a description if you don't want to. It's optional. You do have to put in a form name and a file, of course. So now we're going to click on choose file. That brings up our file manager here. And I've already uploaded some files here, so what I'm going to do is just go ahead and select a file that's here. But if you do need to add a new file, you would click on Add Files up here, select it from your computer, and it would upload for you. But I'm just going to select this newsletter right here just as an example, and click on OK. And you see right here that it has the placement to place this first grade supply list form under the school supply list category. So then we're going to click on Save. And we see right here that it has saved our supply list under school supply list. Another thing that you can do within forms is actually rearrange these. So maybe I want the building facility use to be added first. So all I have to do is click and drag and move that to the top and drop it, and it actually saves those. You can actually do that within these form categories as well if you want to move those up. Now let's take a look at building links. You can see right here we already have some links. Links and forms works very similar, which is why we're doing them in one video. You see right here that we already have a category for links and we have some links under them. So we can add another link category, maybe something like staff links. Click on save. Then we can add a new link under staff links, just like we did with forms, except this is a link name. So maybe we have something like their webmail, so we'll put in gmail.com. And then we can name it as webmail. Whoops. You also have the option to add a description on here if you wish. And then you can add an image if you want to. If you want your link not to be text but an image instead, you can have that option. And then again, you have your placement options. It's automatically defaulted to staff links. And then we can click on save. And you see right here that it added that link. Just like we did with building forms, you can drag and drop these, move these around in different orders if you wish, and it automatically saves them for you. That's how you add building forms and links to your building page.